hardtop. Now, of course, you know, 71, 72 Chevelles almost look identical. However, one way to depict it is by the marker lights. So I mean the marker lights, I mean the turn signals. 71 always came in a 2 split marker light, whereas the 72 was a single turn signal. But anyway, going back to the fine vehicle we have in front of us, it features a tuxedo black with the white stripes, SS stripes across the hood and deck lid, featuring the torque thrust rims, skinny tires, also featuring a 4-speed manual. You got bucket seats. Other than that, one of the sad modifications to this car was they did delete the radio. But yet again, when you've got a 454 underneath the hood, who even needs a radio? All you need to listen to is that purr coming out the back. And even right now, we can give you a little bit of a brake test to show you that this car is as safe as it sounds. Other than that, I'm wearing my seatbelt right now just to be safe, because this car does have a lot of power. And when you have a 12-volt rear, of course, you know she's going to grab, which is why we're going to demonstrate to you how much power this car really produces. Oh yeah, definitely a mean little charmer here we have at Skyway Classics. But as for now, we're going to keep driving safe, get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.